Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming back here. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and that notification bell above so that you do not miss any of the juice that happens here at my channel. Now today we are going to make a butter chicken recipe. If you're looking for something quick, easy, and extra creamy and delicious, you're in the right place. Keep watching.
Now tuned into the motherfucking greatest.
Another banger. Make a bomb, make a bomb,
Hey guys, it's me and Noah here today, and we're gonna be making a really delicious recipe. What are we making today, Noah?
I forgot.
Butter chicken.
Yeah.
It's gonna be super delicious. Noah, what can they expect?
Creaminess.
Creaminess. So my chicken is already marinating in the refrigerator, and I like to use chicken thighs. I just feel like they're extra juicy, and they're a kind of meat that, in my opinion, you can't get wrong. So I choose chicken thighs over chicken breasts any day, especially for this recipe. So I already have it marinating. It's probably been marinating in the refrigerator for a couple of hours now. I would suggest between 20 to 30 minutes to an hour, or even overnight, for that extra deliciousness that comes out of having your chicken marinate for a long period of time. And in the meantime, we're going to prep everything we need for the sauce, and I'll show you my lovely lineup. All right guys, so I'm gonna start by chopping this onion. Chop a zell, chop chop. He won't chop a chopper. He won't chop a chopper. Chopped. Very just like coarsely, just like roughly. Have fun with it. Don't overthink it. Life is already stressful. Be stressed off of some onions. Why? Except if it's making you cry. The way it's making me cry. Wow, what a wimp.
So what you'll do here is you'll add some oil to that pan, and then you want to wait until you can smell that oil. When you smell it, it's the perfect time to add that chicken. And we'll keep this in for about 3 minutes and then take it on out. Before and after. So that nice, beautiful, light golden brown is what you want. About 3 minutes on each side, and then put it to the side. Use this time to kind of scrape up the beautiful bottom to get all that deliciousness off the bottom. A half a stick. Go easy, go slow. Go according to what you feel comfortable with. And add some oil as well to that. Now we're gonna add the garlic and the ginger right on it. Have that do its thing for about a minute. All right, that beautiful brown color. Now we are gonna add the coriander to the mix. And I just like to eye it. Do some ground cumin, garam masala, cayenne pepper, and add at your own risk. If you like super spicy, do that. Otherwise, be light with the hands. And just let it get fragrant. Once you can smell it, then you want to add that tomato sauce and cook it for about 15 to 30 seconds. And now for the tomato sauce. I know my recipe called for 2 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce, but I did add a 3rd can just because I like my sauce to be a bit more saucy. So you want to let that cook for a good 10 to 15 minutes. You want to stir it occasionally, just until it becomes this like rich red brown-ish color. And before I forget, I'm going to add a little bit of chili powder. So I do want to let you know that I'm going to be enjoying this meal with some rice and some naan that I'm going to be making as I'm making the butter chicken. Lots of people like to use basmati rice, which I love basmati rice, but sis has no basmati rice. I don't got basmati, basmami, baspapi, nothing, okay?
I have your simple whole grain brown rice, which is probably a better option anyways, health-wise. Not that we're counting our calories for a meal like butter chicken, but you know what I mean.
All right, so let's give this one good stir and then add in this half and half. For this part, some people like to use sugar. I like to use honey. And then you'll let that kind of come together and you'll add the chicken in. But look at that beautiful orange color. And then we're gonna just let this cook for about 10 to 15 more minutes. Have everything kind of finish cooking, have the chicken finish cooking, because again, we only cooked it for about 3 to 6 minutes before. So you want to get the chicken nice and done, and you want all the flavors to just marinate as one. So just let it do its thing from here on out.
Look at that beauty go.
Nice and thick, like a stew. Moment of truth. And this is the final product. Beautiful, creamy, buttery butter chicken.
Okay guys, Noah's gonna give his review on this butter chicken. Noah, take a bite and then tell us how many thumbs up you give this.
Okay.
Woo, 10 stars. So 5 fingers
Not
up.
like this.
He said forget about 2 thumbs up. It's 10 fingers, right? I can't count.
Yeah.
Now tell them what to do. They have to click subscribe below, right?
Yeah, and in my gaming channel is gonna be in the link, in the subscription. I mean.
Oh, okay. So subscribe below, and his gaming channel is coming soon.
Yeah.
We know who the star here is. All right, guys, subscribe below, click the bell above, and thank you for watching.